Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix iPhone screen flickering issue in iOS 17. So guys, many iOS 17 users are complaining about that their iPhone screen is flickering too much and they don't know how to fix this issue. So guys, if you're one of them and looking for a fix, so you are in a right video. In this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix this flickering issue. So guys, first of all you have to do is restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve minor software glitches. So you have to go to your settings, tap on your general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Indicate that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS 17. Apple often releases updates that include bug fixes and improvements, so you have to go to your software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. Like this. Simply tap on update now and update it to its latest version. If it still doesn't work, then you have to do adjust your display settings. You have to go to your settings, go to display and brightness and adjust the brightness slider. Sometimes extreme brightness settings or auto brightness issues can cause flickering. So guys, if this doesn't work, then you have to do is disable your auto brightness. So guys, if auto brightness is unable, try turning it off. So to do this, you have to go to your accessibility, tap on display and text size, scroll down and you can see your option auto brightness. If you have enabled it, then you have to do is disable it. After trying these and you're still facing the issue again and again, then you have to do is check for rugged apps. So guys, certain apps cause screen flickering issues. Try identifying and uninstalling recently installed app to see if the problem persists. If it still doesn't work and you're still facing the flickering issue, then you have to do is reset all settings on your iPhone. You can try resetting all settings on your iPhone. To do this, you have to go back and then go to your general, scroll down and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.